Well, today we have here what is this device to which we are going to be able to recover since our phone blocks with this. It has a screen lock. What are we going to do? Well, let's see what is the video tutorial step by step to be able to solve what this problem is. In this video tutorial we are not going to use the PC, we are going to use a method totally without PC since these phones are fully updated, and as we can see already as we entered previously when we pressed the power button, volume down button at the same time we released the volume down button, we held the volume up, then when it restarted and showed what was the logo, we released the power button holding the volume up so we could enter what was recovery mode with that. But this is no longer working since these phones are fully updated. So what are we going to do? Well, in this video tutorial we are going to use what is a USB-C cable, since our phone comes with these USB-C cables with the same inputs. We are also going to use what is another additional phone. We are going to use another phone. We are going to connect it no matter the brand, after they have the same port, and what we are going to do is introduce what is the USB cable. We see that it charged was this one. Then what we are going to do is charge that one. Flip the tip. Flip the tip. Here we can see that it showed charging. In some cases if it does not show you charging, then change this tip there, that one here. Vice versa. Now we are going to do the same process. The same one we always did, power button, volume down button at the same time. We touch the screen to see when the device restarts. When our phone restarts we release the volume down button holding the volume up and the power button. Now when it shows what is the logo of our phone, it does not matter if it restarts, we hold it. We hold it again without releasing those two buttons, it will start again. Now we released the power button holding the volume up button, so we will be able to enter the mode recovery. In some cases it usually restarts, sometimes, do not worry. Try them again. Now what we are going to do is go where it says wipe data factory reset with power. We select, go down and give it where it says factory data reset with power on. Here our phone would already be resetting all the information that we had on our phone. It would already be completely eliminated. Everything will be erased. We can now disconnect both phones. Now what we are going to do is go here where it says reboot system, not with the power button. We hold it, and now what we are going to do is wait for our phone to start correctly. When our phone starts correctly, what we are going to do is be able to configure it. We configure it, we are going to configure it. Now, right now we are going to explain if your phone remains with the Google account. With the security account, we will explain what we are going to do. Well, as we can see our phone has already completely restarted. But if you are left with this little padlock in the upper left, it is because it has what is the Google account. For that we are going to leave you a method to be able to solve it in the description of the video and in the first pinned comment.